Super cool 7 AI lead generation trends for 2024. AnyBiz. In 2024, AI is transforming lead generation by incorporating social media trends, viral content like TikTok videos, and cutting-edge technologies. Organizations are adapting to appeal to tech-savvy populations with authentic, individual, and engaging content. 1. Leveraging TikTok's viral video marketing potential, brands reach a youthful audience with engaging content. AI enhances strategy by analyzing trends, optimizing posts, and monitoring engagement, maximizing lead generation on the platform. 2. Harnessing memes and pop culture references engages younger audiences who regularly interact with them online. Memes are popular for their simplicity and wit, offering brands a quick way to boost credibility and audience engagement. AI tools aid in trend identification, meme creation, and performance tracking, enabling marketers to stay ahead of trends and optimize content for maximum impact. 3. AR and VR technologies revolutionize marketing with immersive experiences, offering captivating interactions for users. Auto insurers can utilize AR to project insurance data onto vehicles, while VR creates simulated environments for deeper engagement. AI enhances these experiences by analyzing user behavior, dynamically adjusting content, and predicting preferences, ensuring personalized and impactful interactions. 4. AI-driven personalized recommendations are essential for digital marketing success, particularly on social media platforms. By analyzing user data, such as browsing history and engagement metrics, AI matches consumers with relevant products or services, enhancing user experience and campaign effectiveness. Integration with social media advertising platforms enables automated distribution of tailored ads, increasing engagement and conversion rates. 5. Collaborating with micro and nano influencers proves highly effective, fostering authentic connections with engaged audiences. AI aids in selecting optimal influencers by analyzing data to ensure alignment with the brand's target market and objectives. It evaluates influencers' content history to ensure alignment with the brand's message. 6. Gamification enhances lead generation by infusing marketing initiatives with game-like elements, increasing engagement and improving lead acquisition. By turning routine interactions into enjoyable challenges and incentivizing participation with points, contests, and prizes, businesses can significantly boost engagement and increase the likelihood of lead conversion. 7. AI chatbots facilitate real-time engagement by swiftly addressing queries, tailoring messages, and efficiently guiding users through the lead generation process. They offer instant communication on social media platforms, seamlessly integrate with online audiences, and provide immediate assistance and guidance to prospective leads. AnyBiz.io revolutionizes lead generation with advanced AI-driven tactics, ensuring tailored communication across multiple channels. Its AI-powered sales representatives engage prospects with targeted outreach, enhancing personalization and increasing engagement rates compared to traditional methods. AnyBiz is revolutionizing modern marketing with its AI-driven analytics, multi-channel campaign management, automated customer interactions, specialized AI sales agents, and streamlined meeting booking. It's a versatile solution for scaling sales operations effectively and staying ahead of lead generation trends in 2024 and beyond. In 2024, AI-driven lead generation trends will cater to the younger generation, leveraging tactics like viral video marketing, memes, immersive experiences, and personalized interactions. AnyBiz plays a crucial role by integrating these advanced AI technologies to enhance the lead generation process. By harnessing AI's capabilities, companies can effectively engage with the tech-savvy younger demographic and stay competitive in the evolving market landscape. If you've enjoyed your stay, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. More exciting updates are on the way.